Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini inside Google Classroom, one of the biggest updates for educators and students using Google Workspace for education. Gemini brings AI-powered tools right into Classroom, helping teachers save time, create better assignments, and give more personalized support to students. Let's get started. Across tools like Classroom, Docs, Slides, Gmail, and more. It's designed to help educators work faster, think creatively, and give students smarter, more interactive learning experiences. Once it's turned on, Gemini adds some powerful new features to Google Classroom. One of the biggest is AI assignment suggestions. With this, teachers can automatically generate lesson materials like assignment templates, quiz questions, writing prompts, and even grading rubrics. You just enter the topic, grade level, or subject area, and Gemini instantly provides recommendations. It's like having a co-teacher that helps you plan lessons in seconds. Another huge feature is smart grading assistance. Gemini can analyze student submissions and help teachers create feedback comments, suggest grades that align with rubrics, and even highlight where students need improvement. This makes grading faster, more consistent, and more fair for every student in the class. But Gemini isn't just for teachers, it helps students too. When it's enabled by the school administrator, students can get personalized learning support directly inside Google Classroom. Gemini can help them improve writing, explain complex science or math topics in simpler terms, and even give step-by-step help on assignments, all without just handing them the answers. It's like an intelligent study companion that encourages students to think and learn independently. Teachers also get access to real-time classroom insights powered by AI. Gemini can show which students are most active, who's struggling, and even identify trends in class performance. It can flag missing submissions, detect areas where students are falling behind, and summarize classroom progress in seconds, saving teachers hours of manual tracking. Now let's go over how to enable Gemini in Google Classroom if you're an administrator. Step 1. Confirm that your institution is eligible. Gemini is available for all Google Workspace for Education editions, Fundamentals, Standard, and Plus. Keep in mind that Gemini features are currently in English only and available to users age 18 and older. Step 2. Log into your Google Admin Console using your administrator account. From the menu, go to Generative AI, then Gemini for Workspace. Step 3. Go to Feature Access in Classroom, where you can choose to turn Gemini on or off for specific users or groups. You can even assign access by organizational units if you only want certain teachers or departments to use it. Step 4. Click Save, and then wait for the rollout. It could take up to 24 hours for Gemini to become active across your school's classroom accounts. Step 5. Once Gemini is enabled, teachers will see a new Gemini tab right in their Google Classroom navigation panel. From there, they can start using AI tools to create assignments, quizzes, and rubrics, and assign them directly to students. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Gemini in Google Classroom. It's an incredible time saver for educators, making lesson planning, grading, and feedback smarter and more efficient, while also giving students the AI-powered support they need to learn better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know how you plan to use Gemini in your classroom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.